May I now invite Mr. Jafar Hussain, President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Pakistan, to share his views. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jafar Hussain.
Past Presidents, President of Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of Pakistan, CFOs of various companies, my dear members, professionals, Assalamu alaikum. Institute of Chartered Accountants of Pakistan has always stood for good corporate reporting. It has been concerned about the integrity of financial reporting and its quality. That is why when international financial reporting standards were issued, Institute of Chartered Accountants was the first in this region to adopt these standards. And the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Pakistan has always encouraged corporations and companies to improve their financial reporting. As an institute, and our members also, are not only responsible for the financial statements and the integrity of those financial statements. We, in fact, under the auditing standards, have a limited responsibility for other information which is being presented in the annual report. Institution of these awards, which are now called Corporate Reporting and Sustainability Reporting, was one such initiative which we jointly launched with Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of Pakistan. Now this initiative has become a regional initiative, and from the SAFA's platform, we have been giving awards for best corporate reporting in the entire region. And I'm very happy to note that Pakistani companies' financial statements are second to none. Number of our companies win first, second, or third prize in the entire region, which comprises of Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. So this is not no mean achievement on our part that we have been able to improve the quality of financial reporting and the quality of annual reports in this country. The objective of this entire exercise was to improve the quality of financial reporting and sharing of information with the stakeholders to enable them to make informed decision making. Road to efficient stock market cannot be anything else than the good financial reports. Without shareholders relying on financial reports, the stock markets will remain the way these are. So if we really want efficient stock markets in this country, we need to improve our financial reporting, and we need to make them make their financial decisions on the basis of information provided to them rather than on speculative trends. Ladies and gentlemen, transparency is the key to good governance. Without transparency, there cannot be any good governance in the country and in the corporations as well. But what is good governance? There can be perceptions about good governance. A company's management may think that they are doing it very well, but people may think otherwise. Good governance is not just a company's effort, but it also requires an enabling environment. So if today our companies are not performing as well as they are expected to perform, it might not be due to any fault of the management of that company. It might be due to the environment prevailing in this country. However, if we keep on telling the shareholders and other stakeholders what we are doing for them and how we are using their money, their perception about governance will always be good. And this is what transparency achieves for us. Financial statements of this country, I was there in Pune last year when financial statements award was given to best presented annual reports, and number of Pakistani companies were there in the list, and people were really appreciative of the quality of annual reports and the financial reporting prevailing in Pakistan. Let me tell you that the quality of financial statements in this country is far better than many in the world. I'm not saying many in the region, I'm saying many in the world. And for that, I would like to congratulate professionals of both the institutes, because without their efforts and without their competence and expertise, we could not have achieved this objective. Ladies and gentlemen, but we will have to continue to make efforts to further improve the quality of our financial reporting. And I'm confident that members of Institute of Chartered Accountants of Pakistan and members of Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of Pakistan would continue to maintain their professional competence, would continue to work with integrity, and would continue to improve the quality of financial reporting in this country. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.